Hello student of class 9th. Student, in previous classes we have discussed exercise 1.2, and in this class we will discuss question of exercise 1.3. Question first is, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. First question is 36 by 100. We will divide it and convert into decimal form. So here we see that 36 by 100, this can be written as 0.36, and here remainder becomes 0. Since remainder becomes 0, hence 36 upon 100 is terminating decimal expansion. In previous classes we have discussed what is terminating, non-terminating and reoccurring decimal number. Now 1 by 11, so on dividing this process, quotient is here comes out 0.0.09009, that is, this can be written as 0.09 bar. Means here quotient is repeating type and remainder not becomes 0. Since remainder is not 0 and number 09 is repeating here in quotient, so hence such type of number are decimal expansion. 0.09 here 0.090909 is known as non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Now question second, you know that 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 bar. This line is known as bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7 and 5 by, this is 7. Number 1, given solution is, given 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 bar. Suppose this is equation number 1. So 2 by 7 can be written as 2 into 1 by 7. So put here the value of 1 by 7, that is 0.142857 bar, and multiply it by 2. So this become what? 0.285714 bar. Similarly 3 by 7 can be written as 3 into 1 by 7. So also this equal to 3 into put here 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 and multiply it. So this comes out what? 0.428571. Similarly 4 by 7 here can be written as 4 into 1 by 7, that is equal to 4 into 0.142857, this equal to 0.571428. Now question number 3, express the following in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. So question number first is 0.6 bar, and this can be written as 0.6666. How many times? Infinite many times. So let's suppose solution, let's suppose 0.6 bar equal to x. Multiply both sides by 10 in equation 1. We have multiply. After multiplying, this become what? 6.6 bar, because 0.6 bar is what? 0.6666 and so on. How many times? Infinite times. So if we will multiply by 10, so decimal will move here, so this becomes what? 6.666 and so on. So here we can write it 6.6 bar, that is equal to 10x. On subtracting equation first from equation 2, we have 10x minus x. Subtract equation 2 from 10x minus x. and 6.6 bar minus 0.6 bar. So on subtracting 10x minus x, this is 9x, this is equal to what? 6.0. 6 bar here cancel out, and here 6 remaining. So this equal to x equal to 6 by 9, and after solving x equal to 2 by 3. This is a required rational number. Here note, if bar is replaced at 1 digit, as in question number 1, bar is replaced at 1 digit after decimal, this is 1 digit. Then after replace at 1 digit after the decimal, we will multiply by 10, and if bar is placed at 2 digit after decimal, then we will multiply by 100, and if at 3 digit we will multiply by 1000, which can be understood by following examples. 0.6, this is 1 digit bar, then we will multiply by 10. If there is 2 digits, if bar is replaced at 2 digits, then we will multiply by 100, and bar is replaced at 3 digit, then we will multiply by 1000. Now question number 4, express 0.9999 in the form of P by Q. So solution is given decimal expansion equal to 0.999 and so on. So this can be written as what? 0.9 bar. Let 0.9999 equal to x. Suppose this is equation number 1. Multiply both sides of equation 1 by 10. So this becomes what? 9.999, and here this becomes 10x. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we have what? 10x minus s, this is, and 9.999 minus 0.999, here 9.999 minus 0.999. So this becomes what? 9x equal to 9, and x equal to 9 by 9. So x equal to 1. From this it is clear that 0.999 dot infinite is can be written as 1, because 0.999 is very close to what? 1. So here we can find the result as 1, which is also a rational number, and remaining question you can solve by yourself. थैंक यू क्लास, एंड क्लास इसकी प्रॉपर नोट्स सबको प्रिपेयर करना है, और सब लोग इसको अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करेंगे. थैंक यू.